Mr. Feygin was a leader in developing US LNG exports. Given the energy crisis in Europe, what are Cheniere's plans to further increase its production capacity during this decade?
Our plans are first and foremost to maintain reliable operations at our existing facilities, which right now are 45 million tons. And we're growing that platform. We reached the final investment decision for an additional over 10 million tons at our Corpus Christi facility. That decision was finalized in June of this year, and we expect that production to start coming online in a couple of years.
Have there been any new deals lately with European buyers?
There have been a handful of transactions year to date. Earlier this year, we were very fortunate to conclude a transaction with ENGIE, the Paris-based company. Subsequent to that, in the second quarter, we signed a long-term transaction with Equinor, and there have been a number of others that have been done between European buyers and U.S. projects, but really only a handful.
And one last question, how do you see the energy industry going forward?
Well, I think for the LNG industry, we continue to see that growing to that 700 million ton number in 2040. We think in order to get there, the LNG industry from the supplier and buyer standpoint needs to find common ground on reliability, affordability, and environmental parameters that will be key to sustain the industry and its growth trajectory, not only into 2040, but for decades and decades beyond that. And we're quite optimistic that we at Cheniere will be able to get there.